Hi everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be making a recipe I personally haven't had since probably my teenager years. Tuna casserole with a twist. And for that, we are going to need 1 cup of sour cream, 1.5 cups of cream, or half and half, 1 cup of peas, 1 small red pepper, 2 celery stalks, a half of a chopped onion or small chopped onion, 1 carrot, 2 tablespoons of parsley, salt and pepper to taste, and 2 cups of crushed potato chips, and a whole package of Velveeta. Well, this should be an interesting twist to it, so you know the drill. Well, let's go. Okay, the first step is going to be to cook our egg noodles, so we're going to wait till the water starts boiling and put them in. And we'll stir those up and get them cooking. Thankfully, egg noodles don't take that long to cook usually. And the next step is pretty simple. We're going to be dumping our tuna fish into the bowl with our cooked noodles. Adding our soup. I was about to say sometimes it needs a little encouragement, but it came out. Going to add our container, or about a cup, of our sour cream. Going to put our celery, onions, and red pepper in with it. And last but not least, our peas. After we mix that up thoroughly, we'll be adding in a cup of our cheese, our 1.5 cups of cream, and our salt and pepper. And once again, be stirring that together, and then it'll be assembly time for our casserole. And once that mixture is assembled, we're going to start layering it into our casserole dish with a nice bottom layer to start off with. And then one of the twists in it, we're going to be putting a layer of our Velveeta cheese down. Almost like you would if you were making a lasagna, except the tuna casserole is kind of our noodles layer. And after that beautiful layer of our Velveeta cheese, we will cover it up with hopefully the rest, if not most, of our tuna mixture. Then we will be taking our chips and crushing them up for the top. Now, if you want to crush them up ahead of time in a bag, that's a great idea too. I'm just doing it as I go today. Now, our oven is preheating to 375, and before we put it in, we're going to put one last layer of cheese to top it off. That is where our other cup of cheddar cheese will go.
Let me get the
Sprinkle
rest
some
of it.
parsley on top. Now, I did put a little bit of parsley in the casserole, and I don't think I mentioned that. Alright, well, this is going to go into our oven for about 25 minutes, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, it was 25 minutes, and we have taken our casserole out. I'm going to let this sit for the next 10 or 15, and then we'll try it out. Okay, the moment is here to try out our casserole. I am pretty excited about this bite, so let's go. Well, honestly, out of all those casseroles I remember having, this one is topping it. The chip topping is a little strange, almost just in a... I did not expect that crunch way. I mean, I get it, they're potato chips, duh, but... And then I almost thought I would get more Velveeta, but it has melted nicely into all the little layers of noodles. Overall, this is amazing. And despite it having a little more ingredients than some of my other recipes, it was totally worth it, and really not that hard to put together. So, if you like what you saw, think I added too many weird things, think it was great, you know the drill. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video.